Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful viewers, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I greet you all according to your time. If it is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all for your massive support. Thank you very much. My dear viewers, I have a video to present to you this very moment, and I will be watching that very video with you. And after watching, let's just drop our opinion at the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. For me to you for now is bye.
Greetings everyone. Greetings Biafrans all over the world. Greetings lovers of freedom. I want to send this as a warning and as a message to every Biafrans all over the world. In case you don't know, let me say it here and now. If anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I believe most of you that are not willing to act now would like to act then. God forbid it will not happen. But in case of necessity, let me tell everyone out there, it's better for Biafra not to be restored instead of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die in this journey of restoration of Biafra. Let me say it again in case you don't know. I say it the way it is. It's better for Biafra not to be restored than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to give his own life because of me and you. We don't want it. We don't want it. Many people are calling, let's go for protest, let's go for protest. I'm not against that. Like I said before, everything has a stage. This is time for every individual to give himself or herself order to do what is needful. What is that needful? The thing that is needful is what you know you can do to restore Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have given the order long time ago, but we are still sleeping, waiting for when he will say, okay, go and carry something to do something. That is not the way you people we're supposed to be doing something. How can we be clamoring for referendum, clamoring for Biafra restoration? The people that are killing us are busy going about their business like nothing is happening. Going about their business all over in the east, you will see the Fulani Janjaweed selling their market. Nothing is going on. And you think you are doing well, and you think you are moving on with such a environment or with such mission, with such attitude. For Biafra to be restored, we need to sacrifice one part. You must sacrifice something. I have said this time without number, countless time. For Biafra to be restored, we need to use the Igbos and their properties in the north as a sacrificial lamb. Yes. It's better we use them to do the sacrifice than to wait. End of the day, they will be used to sacrifice, and the same east will be also be used. What left? So it's better you use them as a sacrifice. This is the time we have to give every Fulani. There's no difference between Fulani and the Hausa. Anything that has to do with the north, it's time we give them quick notice. Let them go their places. Whatever they like, let them do with the Igbos or the Biafrans in the north. It's none of our business. The important thing is the mission, the destination, the restoration of Biafra. Last, once Biafra is restored, then let them come back empty-handed. They will be employed and they will work and regain whatever that they have lost. You cannot take because of your selfish interest and sacrifice everything that we have labored for. No, you can't. It's not done anywhere, and it can never be done in Biafra land. Now, what we're supposed to do, everything that has to do with North have to leave Biafra land now. You will not wait for Mazi to do this for you. It's me and you. Start acting. I have already started my own. I have started acting my own. You start your own, because I will not come out and tell you what I have done or what I will be doing, but I have already started. You that is watching me now, start something, evacuating those Fulanis out of Biafra land. That alone will give you the restoration of Biafra faster than as you think it. Now, if I might ask you, if you are going about doing your business, nothing is going on, no, everybody is moving around tranquilo, nothing, do you think the world will understand there is a crisis? No, they will think you are living together peacefully. So, let me repeat myself again. It's better for Biafra not to come than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give his life for me and you. We need to do something radically, something that will make the world know that we don't give any fucking dime of anybody, that our land, we must reclaim it. In Biafra, it's our identity, and we cannot throw our identity away. We cannot throw our identity to Nigeria. We cannot throw it to become any other person else, apart from that very Biafra. So do something, and let's do something. It's a collaborative ideas. Bring your own, come on with it, and let me bring my own, and let's act now, not tomorrow. We must start now to evacuate every Fulani in the east of Biafra, whatever it will cost, and we will start it now. Start evacuating them. Anyone that refuses to evacuate, you send the person to his ancestors. Because we don't want them in Biafra land. And we will use the Igbos in the north as a sacrifice for Biafra to be restored. Because if we fail to use them, end of the day, if the war broke out, they will lose everything, and we will lose the things in our own land. So it's better we protect our own land and lose the ones outside, so that we will restore everything. Ban anything that has to do with Fulani. Let them go with their sugarcane, their onions, their carrots, their whatever. We don't need it. We don't need their cow. We can use the one we have to build ourselves. What are we waiting for? No, not too much talk, but watch out. The film will soon come out. You will watch it in full details.